What is up, YouTube? My name is CJ. This is CJ Knows Tech, where I like to drop fire tech videos. But today, I'm dropping a fire how to make YouTube video. Basically, I'm finna show you how to get the sauce in your YouTube videos, like this.
They got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back, tell me I'm garbage. I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling. Phone and progression, it's all that I wanted. The phone and affection, I summon and dub it.
You guys all seem really nice, and I'm not gonna lie to you.
I got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling.
Alright guys, so I just want to share my journey to 368. It was a great experience, and I just want to show you how I went about getting there. Not only did I put going to 368, I also put meeting Casey. Now I didn't get to. Now wait. I can't realistically tell you everything in one video, because this video will be hours long. Like, you will be spending a couple days with me. So what I will be doing is going in depth in each section that I do mention in this video in later videos. So hit the subscribe button so you don't miss those videos, and smash that like button to let the YouTube algorithm know that this video is jam-packed with information. Let's get into the info. Let me help you take your YouTube videos to the next level so they actually perform on YouTube. What's the first thing you need when you attack this YouTube platform? A lot of people don't talk about this. It is your mindset. This is the most important thing, you guys, because you have to be relentless. You can never give up. You have to be okay with failure. What is YouTube? Failure after failure, win, failure, win, well, oh, failure again. There are ups and downs, peaks and valleys. You will not always be booming. And then one day you figure it out and you boom, 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 maybe a little dip, then boom, boom, boom again. But how do you get to that? You gotta have the mindset, the relentlessness. You have to have thick skin. People are gonna talk. They're gonna say things. Some of it is constructive, and you gotta be able to weed out the constructive from the troll so that you can take from your viewers what you need to grow and develop and become a better creator. So get that mindset ready. You got it? You sure? Because this is serious. I ain't playing. Okay, so you got the mindset. Let's get into the next piece. Obviously, to create YouTube videos, we need equipment. Now, the first thing people always tell you is use a phone, a smartphone. Now, I'm gonna take it a bit further. If you're gonna use a smartphone for video creation, I'm gonna highly recommend you use an iPhone. iPhones tend to be the better phone. Actually, it don't tend to be, it's a fact. In the smartphone world, iPhones create the best video performance. So if you're gonna be relying on video and creating your YouTube videos from a smartphone, do it from an iPhone. Now, there are Android phones that somewhat compete, but realistically, the iPhone is the best video performance smartphone. Now, if you wanna take it a step further, we can go here. Boom! This is the Canon G7X. This is the YouTube camera. You see all of the big, great YouTubers who have risen to stardom and fame use this here camera. Now, this is a simple point and shoot. It's pocketable, it's very convenient for on the go, and a lot of YouTubers like it because of that. You get those Canon colors. It's really good. It's actually a really good camera, but it is limited. There is a ceiling to it in multiple places when it comes to like audio, low light performance, and so forth. So I'm gonna take it a step further and show you the #1 camera I recommend to YouTubers. For all YouTubers, whether beginner or intermediate, I'm gonna recommend the Canon M50. Has that beautiful flip out display. You can also have a microphone in, which is extremely important. That's the next phase. Another great important thing about this camera is its interchangeable lenses. This is extremely important. Why are interchangeable lenses important? Because actually, the camera body, that's just the, like the computer and the features and the physical aspect. But the real sauce comes in the lens, and the fact that you can put like the nifty 50 for literally like $100 to $120 and get f1.8 bokeh and blur, background blur, what I like to call butter, is phenomenal. And you can get wide lenses, telephoto, all kinds of lenses are what helps shape the content that you create. So a Canon M50 unlocks that interchangeable lens, is reasonably priced, and it's extremely powerful. You can even do 4K on this if you choose to, but I think for doing 1080 standard, great YouTube videos with interchangeable lenses, the M50 is a win-win. Now, after you have a camera and visuals, there's the second part to the equation, audio. This is the audio, mega budget, super recommended microphone that I'm gonna recommend. Now, I have a background in sound engineering. I'm big on sound. I love this microphone. It's inexpensive. It plugs in to the Canon M50. It won't plug into the G7X. Like I said, that's one of the handicaps of the G7X, but this is gonna give you A1 sound. It comes with everything you need. It doesn't rely on batteries like its big brother, which I'm using right now, the Rode Video Mic Pro, but you get the Pro Plus, which doesn't rely, it has a rechargeable. But anyways, this is the best one. This is the one you need to focus on. It comes with the dead cat, comes with everything you need out of the box, and the sound is amazing out of this. Highly recommended. Okay, so we got our equipment to capture our content. Now we need content to create. Basically, what you need to do is figure out where do you fall on this YouTube spectrum. What niche and genre are you gonna speak to? You need to do research on that niche and genre. You need to do research, R&D, research and development, and you need to develop how you're gonna attack this niche and be successful. Another thing you need to do within that niche is you need to ride the trends. This is extremely important. When you're first on YouTube or you're intermediately, like where I am, the trends and the waves are where you need to hop on with your surfboard, stand tall, and let people know you're here. So you need to find the trends, the hot topics, and whether it's a commentary video speaking about that hot topic or trend, or you're able to pick up whatever product or item it is, and you're able to offer valuable videos helping people with that product or to make a decision on that item, that's where you win. So pay attention to the trends, to what's popping in whatever genre. Even if you're in entertainment, the value that you can offer in entertainment is being entertaining. People love to be entertained. So if you can offer up that in a valuable sense to the point where people look to you for their daily entertainment or weekly entertainment, whatever it is, and they think your channel, when it's time to be entertained, you win. You develop a diehard, loyal subscriber, viewer base, and you can have success on this platform. So figure out what genre, what niche you fall in and how to be successful and ride the wave of the trend to success. Okay, you figured out the content, you've got it recorded. What do you need? A computer to edit on. Now you're gonna notice that a ton of creators use Apple products to create their content. And matter of fact, I'm making a video on this coming really soon, and this is gonna be a super dope video. I can't give you all of the sauce, but hit that subscribe button because you wanna watch this video. So why is it that creators use Apple products? Well, one of the big reasons I think, outside of all of the other pluses, is the fact that when you buy an Apple computer, it comes with a free video editing software that's actually really good. It's called iMovie. iMovie is actually extremely powerful and easy to use. For most beginners, I recommend you start on iMovie. Oh, wait, CJ, I don't have a Mac, I have a PC. That's fine. There are free video editing softwares out there. I think DaVinci Resolve might be free. I hope I'm right about that. Well, there's free software out there and entry-level software as well. You should do your research. And then there's the higher tier paid subscription of Adobe Premiere Pro, which is what a lot of people use on the PC platform. It is available on Apple, but it doesn't work that good on Apple. Trust me, I know. Okay, so you've got your video editing software. Now it's time to edit, but wait. Before you even open up and get in there, there's a huge tip I wanna give to you to help actually make videos come together. This is how you really add sauce to a video, and it's using sound.
Usually with Dunk Luxe, you're supposed to get a more premium leather. Now I trust this brand because I've owned studio microphones from this company. I went with the 980 Ti. I was debating on getting the 970 and just saving a couple $100, but why not?
You might look at me and say, hey, but you cop, I got them under retail. I went overseas.
What's up, YouTube?
This has Android Wear on it, and it is the best looking smartwatch on the market. I didn't know if I was gonna like them or not in hand. You know, when you get colorways like this, you never know. I picked up this Champion Jordan jersey, and I'm more so gonna just hold on to this for like just nostalgia. So we're gonna put this audio up against the Shure SM7B audio. Use quarters to do it. Having this little hang part right here, I don't even need a quarter. I can just hand tighten. Now I'm going for the Note experience, and I'm getting this here S Pen. Man, for real, this is the best. welcome. Well, it's about that time. Yeah, it's going down.
300, that's right. I have changed my name. I have decided to rebrand the channel. Mainly, I'm just changing the name, you guys. I can't even tell you the origin of 300 views per second. It was just a name when I was looking for names that popped up.
Music and sound effects is an important player in everyday video. Like honestly, if you've never seen a movie scene without the added sound design that sound engineers like me add to create the ambient sound, the actual sound effects that make it feel real and true to you and bring you and make you immersive in that viewing experience, then you have something to watch. That's your homework. Now, what I like to use and happens to be the partner in this video is Epidemic Sound. I've been using Epidemic Sound since early in my career because I shared an experience where I almost got a copyright strike on YouTube by using that no copyright music. Please do not use no copyright music on YouTube. I made a video, it's actually my most viewed video on this channel about why you shouldn't use it, and there's a ton of comments of people who have experienced copyright strikes on their YouTube channel and how using a service like Epidemic Sound is actually the answer for them. Way before I was a paid customer when I made that video that did extremely well for me, and then I graduated into actually becoming an ambassador because I believed in it. I made that video because I believe in having proper copyright usage, because I know from my background as a sound engineer in the music industry and seeing the importance of having your work copyrighted and also claiming your copyright. As an artist, people claim their copyright because that's how they make their money. You cannot use someone else's music without a proper license and agreement between you, and that's what Epidemic Sound takes care of for you. They have the library. Their library is jam-packed with every genre, every mood, every vibe. Like literally you can search for music by mood. Like it's the thing. You can get happy music, sad, slow, whatever. Funny, comedy, it's all there. And they also have sound effects. Sound effects are also a way that you tie in and immerse your viewer into your video. Like when you do a transition alone, it's cool. But when you add the effect like a whoosh, oh, it takes it to the next level. And it also activates the mind. They get stimulation visually and audibly. Super fire, super necessity. So check out Epidemic Sound. How it works, you click that link down in the description below, you get 30 days free. Any video that you create and upload to YouTube within that 30 days is covered for life. It's good, no problemo. And if you choose to continue your subscription after those 30 days, the same applies. Everything created while your subscription is in good standing is covered. You're good. Also, if you tend to do commercial work, you know, you working around, you freelancing for neighborhood businesses and you need to create videos for them to use commercially, they also have a commercial license for you commercial creators and freelancers. And it's well worth it. I made this investment when I was in the beginning because I didn't want to go 2-3 years down, build up this YouTube community, and then have YouTube look back at an old video with no copyright sound, get copyright strikes, and end up possibly losing my YouTube channel. Yes, you can lose your YouTube channel and privilege to upload to YouTube by getting copyright strikes. Okay, you got your video put together. You are attacking the trend and the wave. You found your niche. You got your mindset ready. You've edited it and you've added your sound and sound effects, and you're ready to hit upload to YouTube. Whoa, wait 1 second. There's 2 more things you need to come up with that are extremely important. The first thing, this is so important, I cannot stress this enough, is your thumbnail. Now I can't sit and show you how to make a thumbnail now because that's an individual video which will be coming in the near future. So hit subscribe so you don't miss that video. The best thing that I can give you as advice in this video is to search whatever topic you're getting ready to create on and study the thumbnails of creators in your niche that have videos that have performed extremely well. Take bits and pieces from each and develop your template for how you're gonna attack your thumbnail and go out and knock them down. Like for real, your thumbnail is literally like the trailer to your video. And now when people hover their mouse over your videos or they like scroll to your video and stop there, it'll start playing like a quick short clip of your video. So your video content needs to be A1 quality. That's why I showed you like the interchangeable Canon M50, so you have that quality there to back up that thumbnail. And then the second thing, the second to the thumbnail that's extremely important is your title. You get them with the thumbnail. You evoke the emotion with the thumbnail. They're like, whoa. So they read the title to see if the title matches the thumbnail. And you don't want to clickbait, but you want to be a little clickbaity. I'm gonna keep it honest. Most people won't tell you that. You gotta entice the viewer, but you have to deliver on the content. If you deliver on this content, you will earn subscribers and longtime viewers, and that's what matters. So do not clickbait, but like I'm saying, create enticing thumbnails and titles. That's how you get the click-through rate to go up, which is basically how many people clicked on your video versus how many people just saw it and scrolled by it. So you got your fire thumbnail, you got your enticing title, and you're ready to hit. No. Now you need to get into search engine optimization. That's the nerd side, the side that I don't really care to do too much with. That's why I use a couple programs called TubeBuddy and vidIQ to help me come up with the keywords and tags that I need, and also how to target my titles at the right audience. These are two tools that you can look into and do some research on. I will be doing follow-up videos about them in the future to help you have search engine optimization and help your videos rank. You need to rank against the big dogs. That's the whole point that I'm trying to make in this video, is the fact that you need to get your video surfaced along with the top dogs. So that way, while they're scrolling through the top dog, they see you, they click on you, they discover you, they like you, they love you, they subscribe to you. And that's how you have success with YouTube videos here on this platform, YouTube. My name is CJ, this is CJ Knows Tech, where I create fire tech videos, and I'm going to be creating more fire helpful YouTube creator videos. So hit the subscribe button so you don't miss those videos. Like, you do not want to miss them. I'm telling you, I'm giving up the jewels. I got multiple things coming in the works, even a podcast that's dedicated to me sharing my life as a full-time creator. I just crossed that life. I just stepped out and jumped and took that leap of faith, and I'm gonna share everything about it. Like, we talking money, we talking about how I'm able to do it, how I grew to get to that point, and how I'm gonna sustain and get to know my new life as a full-time creator. So that's coming. You don't wanna miss that. Hit the subscribe button, smash that like button to let the YouTube algorithm know that this video is full of great information so other people can see it as well. I love you, peace, respect. Come back for more, baby. More fire energy and content consistently, 24/7, every day a week. Not every day a week, but every week, yeah. I don't know how many videos I'm gonna drop. I'll be dropping. I'll be turned up, man. Hey, look. All right, I'm gonna shut up. Peace.
All my friends, we like demons, we like bang.